Hello and welcome to the course of Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is the digital transformation of manufacturing and related industries and value creation processes. Industry 4.0 is used interchangeably with the fourth industrial revolution and represents a new stage in the organization and control of the industrial value chain. Industry 4.0 refers to the intelligent networking of machines and processes for industry with the help of information and communication technology. Industry 4.0 has been defined as a name for the current trend of automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies, which includes cyber physical systems, the Internet of Things, cloud computing, cognitive computing, and on top of that, the aim to create a smart factory. Industry 4.0 is a vision that evolved from an initiative to make the German manufacturing industry more competitive to a globally adopted term. It is characterized by even more automation than in the third industrial revolution, the bridging of the physical and digital world through cyber physical systems enabled by industrial IoT, a shift from a central industrial control system to one where smart product define the production steps, closed loop data models and control systems, and finally the most important characteristics, personalization or customization of products. This course focuses upon automation and applications part of Industry 4.0, which involves robotics, CNC, 3D printing, and best practices for automation in industries. We will understand all the concepts of automation and applications with proper explanations, notions, and examples as we progress in the course.